We'll try the secret hole first, between the boat and the dock. Whoa, that's like instant. Alright, let's try out here in the middle. Yeah, pretty much instantaneous. Wow. Well, we're feeding them mission soft taco shells, tortilla shells, fajitas, whatever you call them, cut up with scissors in little bitty pieces. Let's feed them. Oh, they're just getting warmed up. Wow. Let's not forget the secret hole. Whoa, man, they're so fast I can't even see them. Now the water's a little murky. I suppose it doesn't help. They're insane. Yeah, it makes you want to grab your fishing pole, doesn't it? Wow. My pet fishies.